You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
To start off this look, I am using the Honeydew Me Up primer as always, and I'll tell you one thing, that my skin really needed this moisture since, well, moving. Then I'm going in with the liquid suede in Industrial Paradise and Little denim dress. Both of them are from a mini lip bundle. Little denim dress does exist as a full size, but I don't think that Industrial Paradise does.
So save your judgment cause you just don't know, but some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, but they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again.
Then I'm using liquid suede in Suede, and this one I absolutely love, and it's also the first ever liquid lipstick I got from NYX Professional Makeup. I'm then using the Pigments Nightingale, however I am painting over that later. Using the liquid suede amethyst to just create some darker areas. On my nose, I needed to use a flat brush. That one is 14 from NYX Professional Makeup, I think. Also using the glitter goals in X Infinity on my cheeks. This is just because I want some color combinations. The only reason I'm going back and forth is because I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I didn't know how this would turn out because I don't paint stuff like this, like ever. But it was fun, it was really fun to be honest. Fun to let go for once. I'm then using Oh Put It On because I want those darker streaks. So I just imagined where I wanted shadows in my look to be. I'm going in with Oh Put It On again on the other side. However, I realized that that angle of the strokes would look ridiculous in the end. So I just went in and did them the same way as the other side, but mirrored. I started shading the left side with my liquid Suede Amethyst. However, I realized, okay, it's better to just paint the entire side, because if that side is not getting enough light, it would be darker in photos, or if you were to paint a painting. So that's why I did it. I had to imagine myself painting a painting of my face, which made no sense whatsoever, but still. Also going in with the pink once more. Well, it's more like pink purple, it's not really pink, it's somewhere in between, like fuchsia almost. I'm then using the little denim dress again, just to create a highlight and also to correct any tiny mistakes. You see, when liquid lipsticks do dry down, you can sort of paint over them. If you move the wet paint too much on top of them, you're gonna rub them off, however. So it's like a fine line between what you can do and can't do. I was lucky because I had amethyst in a big size, which is good because it was definitely needed, since I decided to basically paint everything. Creating some more of that light base on the right side. And blending it, because blend, 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 basically. On the left, or well, dark side, I'm then going in with some more dark strokes, because shading, I guess. Although that actually made it look like I had a hairy armpit for quite some time. Looked kind of funny. Using a little denim dress around my eye. And painting my arm. Again, like, hi. Then painting my eye. With amethyst. And doing beautiful faces. God damn it. I'm cutting out my crease. Well, not cutting it. I'm just painting my crease. The shadow of my crease with amethyst on the light side, and I'll put it on the dark side. With the Pro Foundation mixer in white, I am just creating some highlight effects, I guess. At first I actually used my fingers for this to smudge it out, but then I figured, why am I not just taking a brush to do this? So I'm using the O2 brush from NYX Professional Makeup, and I am just basically shifting between these two brushes, which worked fine. I then went on to paint my hair, and this is something I am regretting still, because hello, that was hard to get out of the hair and the hairline. I also painted my ear off camera because I didn't want you guys to have to see me basically shoving paint into my ear. I'm doing my eyebrows with Oh Put It On because, well, that's the dark color I've been using, so it only seemed to make sense. My lips I just painted with some Suede and Oh Put It On. I wanted them to look sort of brush strokey as well. I'm using Nightingale on my lid as well because, I don't know, I just felt like the pretty side who's gonna be shown by the camera should at least have something. Using the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I am just filling in my waterline because, well, a skin colored waterline in this makeup would look kind of boring. Again, with the white mixer, I'm just adding some highlights to the look. And some white eyelashes. So with the spoolie from the eyebrow brush, I just added some highlights with that because it gave it a nice texture. Here I thought I was done. But no, I wasn't. Because I knew I got a bottle of Away We Glow. So I just started dripping that all over my head. And added some sort of tear-like thing. This is kind of like thick, so it wouldn't be that runny, which is why I sort of needed to help it move forward. And smear the paint a little bit. So I just added it to the hair. And then I got bored, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take the bottle and pour it all over my head. This was a terrible idea because this one was hard to get out of the hair. And it was fun because I did the hand way beforehand, so I had to sit there like, hi, I can't move my hand, I can't touch anything. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and also don't forget that you can vote.